mess that happens where the government is trying hard to catch the people who are, who are a part of this patriarchal system, we forget about the survivor. We forget about the kind of treatment which is being meted out to the survivor by the hospitals, by the system, etc. So we mentioned this in every session that there has to be some sort of a network of survivors, or platform where survivors can offer hope, or take the other survivors together. So if we could think about this too. And finally, we were discussing about gender sensitization. So when we think about what we learned about gender in schools, right? When the only time we probably spoke about our bodies was probably in biology class, where all of us looked down and the biology teacher went on about how all of us either has, ovary or a vagina or whatever it is, and that's it. The topic of our bodies itself is such a taboo that we are not able to break out of it. We are not able to discuss our bodies openly with our male counterparts. How would we talk about gender? So a very important part of gender sensitization is talking about bodies. Also, we were working on a very small petition that we were planning to send to the board to CBSE and other boards which regulate curriculum to make it a point to talk about understanding bodies, or gender sensitization introduction in school itself. So this is another note. And finally, we also spoke, post-Kaushal judgment, a lot of us activists or lawyers who've been working in the LGBT area, we kind of lost hope even though reviews being filed and all that, we kind of lost hope. But what we understood after speaking to lawyers is that petitions can still be filed at the state, insisting that the state governments amend the law, right? Amend the IPC. The state governments also have it in their mandate to do it. So, this is something I kind of thought about, but since there are experienced lawyers here, as far as LGBT, Section 377 is concerned, if we can make petitions in respective high courts where, we try to amend the law, since state government has the mandate to do so. So these were my four suggestions.